What's going on, guys? If you own a lawn care business, you know it's not always easy to keep your business running smoothly, right? Today, we're tackling a big question. How do you raise your prices without losing your customers, right? Big question. I know everybody's trying to figure that out. Stick around because I'm breaking it down into simple steps anyone can follow. First thing first, why are you raising your prices? Simple question, right? Here's the answer. Costs are always going up, whether it's gas, equipment maintenance, or just cost of living. Everything is increasing. If you're not adjusting your prices, you're actually earning less over time. Raising your prices isn't being greedy, guys. Let me tell you. It's necessary to keep your business alive and striving. So, be confident about this. If you know your services are worth it, your customers will understand too. Next, take a look at your pricing. Are you charging enough to cover your costs and make a profit? Because it's all about profit. Compare your rates to other lawn care companies in your area. You don't want to undercharge, but you also don't want to price yourself out of the market. Let's say you're charging $40 a lawn, but realize 50 is what you need to make it all worth when it comes to your time. That's a $10 difference that you can add up fast over multiple jobs, right? So make sure that you know what you're doing. Communication is the key. Decide how much you're going increasing and when will it take effect. A good rule of thumb is to notify your customer at least 30 days in advance. Here's the deal. You can say something like this, and usually, text your customers. Hi, Mr. James. Due to rising costs, we'll be adjusting our prices starting X date. Your new rate will be X amount. We appreciate your loyalty and understanding. Just make it short and sweet and let the customer know at least 30 days in advance, and you'll either get a okay or we would like to cancel our services. Remember, customers just don't pay for your services. They pay for the value. So you have to highlight what makes your business stand out. Reliability, quality of work, and convenience. If you're consistent and professional, most customers will see the price increase as being fair. Think of it this way. Would you rather pay a little more for great service or save a few bucks for something unreliable? Most people would choose quality, right? Alright, so here's reality. Not everyone will be thrilled with a price increase, and that's okay. Some might leave, but most loyal customers will stick around if they see the value. So be prepared to explain why the increase is necessary and stay professional if someone pushes back. Remember, you're running a business, not a charity. It's okay to let go of some clients who don't respect your time and effort. It's just part of doing business. So let's recap. Know why you're raising your prices. Evaluate your current rates. Plan it out. Focus on the value you bring. And handle feedback with confidence. Raising prices isn't easy, but it's necessary a step to grow your business and stay profitable. And remember, you're in business to make a profit, and your customers know that you are valuable to them. Okay? So, guys, thanks for watching. If this helps you, hit the like and subscribe button for more tips, and leave a comment below if you have experiences in raising prices that I didn't mention, or you have another way of doing things. All right? Enjoy the rest of the video. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.